Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Remini fix photos save problem. So if you've already done your edits on Remini and you want to save your photo, you can just click on this arrow down and click on save. So if you are not on Remini Pro, you need to watch an ad to save the photo, and after you click on that, your photos will be saved. But if you already save the photo, you already click on the arrow down but you cannot find the photo on your gallery, you can try to fix that by following this. So the first one that you can do is that you can just go to the app info or the Remini on your phone. You can just long press on it and click on info in here, and after that you need to go to the permissions options and make sure that the you already allow the photos and videos, or you may need to have access on your photos and videos. And after that you need to also make sure that you can go to the albums or gallery on your phone. You can go to the app info in here on the albums or gallery, and in here you need to also make sure that the albums also allow all of medias and files on your phone. And after that you can try clearing the cache of Remini and try if the problem is fixed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.